Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can record vocals in Reaper. So you need first to set up a track, then select your microphone and uh, arm it for recording. Now double click in the empty space on the left track control panel, or you can also press Ctrl T on Windows or on Mac. So I will double click right here. Now select your microphone. So click the input drop down menu on the track. So you will press here to record this red circle. Then here below you will see input 1 or front left. Here you will select mono input 1. Now that you set up everything, you can start recording right over here at this red circle on the transport bar at the bottom, or you can press Ctrl R on Windows and Mac. And when you start this, you can stop with the space bar. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the